Well, as you can see, our Windows installation or Vista installation is progressing nicely. We're going to show you some features right now. We're going to show you the what do you got here? You're going to show them Arrow Glass.
Yeah, I'm going to show them the Arrow. I'm going to show them the Flip 3D, the quick switch windows, the live preview taskbar buttons, and some other features like the instant search and the expanded My Documents folder. So it's really cool.
Great.
So.
Great.
Alright, thanks guys. This is Brett here, and I'm going to take you through the user interface of Windows Vista. Here we're running Vista Ultimate, and I'm going to open up the Windows Experience Index rating. Now what this is something new here. This is a base set score of numbers, which gives your PC a number. This test will run first thing after you install Vista. This particular PC is a 5.5, and that score can go anywhere from 1.0 all the way up to 5.9 being the highest. And the advantages of this score could be somewhere in the future, we'll see pieces of software come to market, and instead of giving specific processor and memory and graphics requirements, they'll just strictly say 4.0 Windows Index rating or higher in order to run this piece of software. So that's going to eliminate a lot of confusion there. Instantly you can also see the Arrow interface at hand here. If you see, it's just like a nice transparent interface around our active windows, and any window actually. If you can see directly through, we see shadows of the desktop or the clock on our sidebar over here, our CPU meter and remote desktop. So that's a really nice, really good looking interface upgrade there for Vista. Coming along as well, if you take a look, you'll see the live taskbar. Right here I have a few open applications, Internet Explorer being one of them. And just by hovering my mouse over that, not actually clicking, but just hovering over the button, it'll bring up a preview of what's going on, and I can of course click that and then begin to browse everything that's going on there, just as always. Or minimize it, maximize it, whatever, back down. And you see I have a game open as well as the window we were just looking at. So I'll close that out and open up a few other applications. I'm going to bring up the Flip 3D. This is another new feature, and what it does is by clicking the button here in the quick launch bar, brings up all your active windows, and by moving the scroll wheel that's located on your mouse, it's going to scroll through all those active windows, which is or flip through them in a 3D manner. You see the one that we want, and we can click on any one, but this gives us a nice clean image of Internet Explorer. I can go back to the desktop or our game that we have, or Internet Explorer, the other window we have, or if I want to play a game, I click that and I go to it. I can also do it like this. If I want to go to this window, I can click that. So really nice feature right there. Let's move right along here to what you're seeing on the side, which is the new Windows sidebar. This is a real cool feature that allows us to add what they call gadgets to the side here, and I click the plus button here. It's going to bring up a page of gadgets that I have available on my PC. I can click the Get More Gadgets Online here, and then they have a library of literally thousands of them to choose from anything you'd want to do, really. So it's really, if I wanted to add one, let's say I wanted to watch my stocks, so I'll just click and hold, and I can drag it over there, or there it goes, and right where it is, you see you have real nice, it's a lot in this side, this particular gadget as well. Clicking it, it's going to give me a quick view of what's going on. If I go over to that and click it again, it's going to bring up a web page with a detailed history. So, that's real nice. And then let's move on to the instant search. This is the new start button, the Vista logo, and at the very bottom here you can see where it says Start Search. This is another thing that happens when you first install Vista, and it takes a moment to index your PC, and then by doing so it allows me to search rather quite quick among every file that's on my local PC here. You can do network locations, but that really brings your time down. So let's say I wanted to check out my chess game. I want to see how many chess games I have on this PC. So if I type chess, it brings up everything with chess in there. So I can bring up this, which is like the manual for it, or I can bring up the actual game again, or if I wanted to play poker, you know, there it comes. Of course they give it a odd name, but there you see. And let's I'm going to take you to one more thing, and then we'll get back to the video, guys. We'll go to the new upgraded My Documents location. You see it here in the Start menu. You have it up top. We now have a new one, which is Games, and then we have the classic Music, Pictures, Documents, and then, of course, clicking your name here, whatever this would be, is going to take you to everything, where I'm going to have see downloads. Okay, what have I downloaded recently? What contacts do I have? It's all going to be right here. So if you have a USB thumb drive, you know, or if you're traveling a lot, being able to get all this information in one location in a universal format like this is real friendly, as well as a history of searches, so I can see all that. It's real nice. But I think I'm going to wrap it up now. But have any questions? Feel free. www.Trinetcorp.com. You can see what else is going on. We have a few machines like this set up. Come in, check them out, and that's it. All right, back to you guys.